Ah, yes, the life of a videographer. The dream job, the creative mastermind, the one who turns pixels into magic and sleep into a distant memory. It all begins with a simple idea. Just a man, a camera, and a deadline he will 100% ignore until the last minute. Then inspiration strikes. The shoot begins. The angles perfect. The lighting cinematic. The footage chef's kiss. Until you check the clips and realize you forgot to press record. But we move on, we adapt, we reshoot, and then we enter the editing phase. Hours turn into days. Days turn into... What day is it again? You tweak the colors, perfect the cuts, sync the music, and then it's render time. It starts smoothly, 10%, 30%, 50%, and then boom! Premiere crashes, file corrupted, storage full, and your will to live non-existent. But we don't quit. No. We restart. We export. We pray to the Adobe gods. Finally, the masterpiece is ready. You send the file. You take a deep breath, and just when you think it's over,
Bro, can we make one small change?
this is the life of an editor.